so let's start to show with you the installation of the second display. Remove the back cover, and there are 4 screws, and we will use the screwdrivers to remove these 4 screws. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we already successfully removed the base of the Z3. Okay, so let's start to restore the second display. Yeah, you see, the interface is VGA, and this is the second display. Yeah, please take care of the position of the second display. And please take care of the cable routing line. Yeah, so we should put the cables in this one, in this gap. There are 4 screws to install the second display. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we finished the 4 screws installed, and you take care for this cable, this holder. Yeah, take care. And the next step is to restore the base, and make the visa holder in the right position. And yeah, so we successfully to install the base, and finally we connect the cable is via the VGA. So, and plug in the interface. And for now, we connect the power cable. And So we start the J3,
对呢，GPS。
and we setting the second display. Yeah, slowly.
就在这里吧。VGA， 看一下 VGA 哪里？哎，不对。哦，它来了。VGA 在哪里？不对啊。PCS 不对。不对。哦，这个就是这个位置。
So we end into the BIOS setting and choose the chipset, and we finally choose the VGA pin 9
选这个带1的。
supply power and enable it,
然后然后保存它
and save the setting.
F10把它
Yeah.
保存。
Yes. Save it, and so we already finished the setting on the BIOS, and also when we restart the POS system, you will see the second display is working. So this is the short video to let you know how to install the second display.
这就 OK 了。
Thanks for watching.